This is the Iron Trader and TGIF. It's been a really good week of trading, even though it was a shortened week. But a lot of good trades in crude oil, natural gas, in the tech plays. So let's just end the week here really strong. So we're going to go and review crude oil here and natty gas. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily chart. Now, the rig count is at 1 o'clock. It's not really a big factor, but you always want to keep your eyes on it. All right, let's just see what we have here now. Okay, so we look at our price channels here. Okay, so now we have 73.28 here on the top and 66.80 there on the bottom. Okay, now I've been pointing out here these key resistance and support levels here. So now we have this 50 SMA here is going to be your support. Okay, so you're looking at 71.29. Then we have your 8 SMA here. You're sitting at 70.42. And then we have your 21-day sitting here at 70.32. So your 8-day now is trying to cross above that 21-day. So let's see if it can do it, or is it going to be just like what it has done here in the past, okay? So now, if we can get above here on this 73.28, your price channel here, then what we want to do is look to this 100 SMA here, sitting at 73.81, and then your big retest up here is going to be right here at 75.06. Now, again, if you can get above that, then your big target here is your 200. Always look for the 200. That's coming down here, and that's sitting at 77.48. Now, if the 50-day, your 8-day, and your 21-day are lost, then we come there and look at these candles here, okay? So what you want to do is you want to look here at 68.93. Then we come over here. We look here at 68.14. We have 67.35, 67.05, and then your big retest here is at 66.80. But right now, your pattern is still very much intact. As long as it's inside those price channels, you're looking here pretty good here. Now, remember, this is still summer driving here, and then you got a couple more months of that, and then we have the hurricane season here. Okay, so we just got to see how this all going to shake out. And remember, OPEC there, Saudi Arabia is going to extend their cuts all the way now from July all the way through August here. So don't ever have opinion one way or the other. Okay, let's take a look here on the old weekly and your monthly chart. Well, see, we can see here on your old monthly chart, you're still holding your 50 SMA and your 200 SMA. You're still right in between. If you can get higher, then we look here at your 8 SMA here at 74.85. Now, here on your weekly chart, looking really good. Okay, so we look at this 8 SMA here. This is going to be your key support level here. Always look at the 8 SMA. You're looking at 71.33, and then look at this key 200 SMA here, if that is lost at 67.60. Now, on the upside, we want to look at this key 21. Okay, this is going to be big time resistance, 73.85. Because just look at all the prices here, very strong resistance area. But that's what we look at. And obviously, if you can get above, then we just follow these candlesticks right on up here. You're looking at 75.06 here. We look at here at 76.69. You have 79.18, and then your big boy there is 79.49. That is your 50 SMA here. So actually here on the weekly, you look at the RSI, you got plenty of room to run here. Your MACD looks really good here. So just don't have an opinion. Just scalp it both ways. All right, let's take a look here at the old natty gas. All right, here's natty gas, your hourly and your 4-hour chart. Now, it's really kind of like a whole lot of nothing here. It was up a penny there today, sitting about 2.62 here. So this is really kind of a sideways action. If you look at your 4-hour chart, you really had a nice series of higher lows. Now look what you have here. See, you got a series of lower highs here coming on down, okay? That's not really what you want to see here. So you want to look at this price channel here at 2.58, and then that's lost. You can come down here to this 200 SMA here very quickly. All right, let's look on here on a daily. Okay, daily chart. Now, I'm always pointing out this key 8 SMA. Okay, so now she's curling down here. So you're looking at 2.68. That's going to be your big resistant level. Now, okay, so if you can get above, then what we want to do is just start looking to these candles right here. Okay, you're looking at 2.74. You're looking at 2.79. We have 2.82, and then we have your big price channel there sitting at 2.87. On the downside, watch this key 21. That's going to be very key support here. You can see how they're tightening right on up here. So you want to look at 2.55. You really need to hold that. And then if that's lost, then we looked at a 50 SMA here at 2.40. And then we have your 100 SMA here sitting at 2.37. You still got basically sideways action. You're just building a huge base here. So it still needs a catalyst. I just thought maybe with this heat that's going on here down in Texas and across the country here, that you would have a little bit more juice here, but it doesn't look like there's a whole lot of interest here with the net of gas. So basically, I'm just doing some small scalps here. There's way better stuff out there right now to trade here. Your oil both ways, technology both ways, a lot of other stuff. All right, I will be back here after pit close at 2:30, and we will review crude oil and natural gas in a little bit more in depth. Thanks for watching.